Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a cool trick how you can run Samsung UI on your iPhone. So basically, Samsung has made a web-based application which will allow any iPhone to run the Samsung UI on their iPhones. But this will not be a full-fledged Samsung experience. But basically, if you're using an iPhone, this will give you a glimpse of what is on the other side of Android, especially on Samsung UI. So if you are a die-hard iPhone user and you just want to check out Samsung UI on your iPhone itself, this is a very good way you can try it out on your iPhone itself and get to know the basic things of Samsung UI. So let's start the video and find out how do you run Samsung UI on your iPhone. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So all you need to do on your iPhone is just copy these links. Now go to Safari browser, paste the link and go to this website. So this is the website. So as you can see over here, the arrow is pointing on the share icon. Click on the share icon and click on Add to Home Screen. Samsung UI. Now click on Add. You will see the Samsung UI icon is saved on the home screen. Now click on that. So you can see the Samsung UI page. Also, it gives you a small notification that you are about to get a little taste of Samsung without changing phones. Click on Next. Again, click on Next. Click on Let's Go. And here we are. So now we are in the full-fledged Samsung UI. As you can see, I'm on my iPhone 12 and I'm running Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra UI on my iPhone. So you have to see the Samsung signature sound of notification. And these are the notification tray. Samsung dialer. So you will keep getting the messages from the developer. It's just a fun UI. First of all, this is not something which is going to harm your iPhone, so it's completely safe to do that. And if you're still afraid, do not allow any permission for camera or microphone. You'll keep getting some messages from the developer. But this is how the Samsung messages looks like, and it gives you a glimpse of that. Go to the settings. This is how the Samsung One UI settings look like. Also, let's go to the gallery. At the moment, I'm running the default theme, but you can choose any theme. Click on Apply. So now we have a different theme. There is a game launcher. But these are all just an example. They're not going to work. Most of the things will not work. It's just to give you an idea how the Samsung UI looks like. Let's go to the Samsung theme. There's also a dark theme. Let's try out the dark theme. So without changing your phone on your iPhone itself, you will get an idea how the Samsung UI looks like. And if you like the interface and if you like to switch to Android or Samsung, this will give you a small idea how the Samsung UI looks like. Samsung is known for customization, so this is the Samsung Health application. You have the Smart Switch application, so it's giving you idea of the basic applications of Samsung UI. You have Samsung Kids. Now let's switch to the default theme. I think this looks the best and definitely looks quite eye-catching. Now let's try out the camera application. It's asking for the permission. Do not give the permission. So basically these are already feeded in the camera. This guy will give you a tutorial about Samsung camera experience. Let me turn off the volume. So you have all the filters. You can change the aspect ratio. So basically you will find all these camera settings on the Samsung camera application. As you can see, the default camera application of Samsung is quite versatile. It gives you a bunch of options which you usually don't get in iPhones. You have the single take. But this is a feeded recording, so you can't change that. But just to give you an idea about how the camera application of Samsung. It will also have the ads of the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Watch 3. Also, it will give you a glimpse of how the Galaxy Store looks like. So that's really cool because without switching to Android on your iPhone itself, you can experience Samsung UI. If you like it, you can switch to Samsung, and if you don't like, you can keep using your iPhone. But the idea of having your iPhone and using Samsung UI is really cool by this developer. And to come out of Samsung UI, all you need to do is just swipe up and you're on your iPhone. And by just one click, you can again go back to the Samsung UI by just clicking on this application. It will take you to the One UI. It's really cool and it's a fun thing to try. Also, you're getting a fake call. I mean, you can attend the call. So it's just a recorded message. Speaker doesn't work. So basically it's giving you an idea how the Samsung UI looks like on the phone dialer. And it has all recorded voices, so don't worry about that. It's quite safe to use. So that's it guys, it was a fun tutorial. I really hope you liked it. If you liked this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.